Hello everyone. Again I came with another problem and solution using Java Stream. So in this video I'm going to talk about a problem. The problem is I have a integer list and I need to find out even numbers and then add all those even number. Calculate sum of even numbers from a given list. Okay, say that you have a list which contains integers and you want to add all those integers. Okay, since I have been posting videos on Java Stream, so I thought that this problem would be suitable to explain, to know the capability of Java Stream. Okay, so the logic would be something like that. Okay, first I need to find out the even numbers, then from that even numbers sum up all the integers. Okay, then let me go to the Eclipse, create a project, then okay, my main method is ready. Okay, I am going to copy that particular line so that I can build the logic. Okay, Ctrl Shift O to imports the necessary package. Okay, done. Now from numbers I need to get the stream, number stream. All right, now here I need to filter out the numbers from this list. How can I filter? Using the filter operation. Okay, filter, then in each iteration what we'll get the element. Say that I'm giving the name of the element is E, then how to identify whether a given integer is even number or not. So the logic is simple. I mean, if the number is divisible by 2, then it is even number, otherwise it is not even number. Okay, so if we have a number that can be divided by 2, then it is even number, otherwise it is not. Okay, so we should use modulus operator, I think. Yeah, modulus operator. Let me see, Chrome. What is okay, the modulus operator returns the remainder of two numbers after division. Okay, say that I am dividing a number by 2 and then if the remainder is 0, then it should be even number, so we should use the modulus operator. Okay, so E percent 2 and this should be equal to 0. So this is the logic for filtration. Okay, now let me print out after filtration what it for each, then do you see we have all the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 out of all these elements. Let me add few more, 1, 5, 8, 0, 10. Okay, now see this. Okay, so we got it right. Now we got the list of all the even numbers and how we can add all those numbers. Okay, so for this we can use reduce function of stream. Okay, so the reduce function have I already have posted a video about reduce function. Okay, how to use that reduce function. You can watch that video to know about this particular method. Basically, reduce, what it does, it combined elements into a single. Okay, so in our case we have the list of, now after filtration we have a list of even numbers. Now we need to combine all the even numbers to a single number. That single number is nothing but summation of all the numbers. Okay, so the logic is very simple. Say that I'm considering that initial value of summation after adding all those even numbers. Say that I'm giving the default value is 0, and here a and b, these are the variables. Okay, now a plus b, so this is the sum. Okay, $38. Okay, let me remove some of the inputs. In this list we have only one even number, that is 2, so we should get 2. So we got the result, the sum is 2. Okay, now I'm adding 4 also in this list. So we have now 2 even numbers, 2 and 4. So if we add those 2 numbers, it should be 6. Okay, 6. So it is giving the right output. Okay, that's really cool that we have written just one condition for filtering out the even numbers, and the next method, the reduce, to combine all the to add all the even numbers. Okay, this is a quick video for showing the capability of Java stream. Okay, hope that you have understood this concept. See you in the next video.